Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Badai Pet ya katanan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department Joka Jela Meghalaya uba EL mentak singi ka arpo khandai tarik uyayong arajar arpulai ulap lipat ba ya ke Indo-Danish Multipurpose Hall but guest house ke badan ha apa shelo hagani singi ba EL ulalong kum ukongsan haringkat ka jingya don lang jong President ka Meghalaya State Veterinary Council Dr. Kaba Sakhar kum chairman kinong tre jong katanat veterinary but kiwi layo jingkran priang na Dr. Kaba Sakhar but kijingkran lingkot na ka Dr. A. Lalu, Director AH and Veterinary Department, Dr. Manjunatha C. Secretary, AH and Veterinary Department, malayo ru kijingkran na ukongsan uba AL haba ay jingkran na kanigasingi Menteri ka Sarkar Jala uloong balada lumlangi ka Jingtbit ba kijingnang Jingstad klempep ngin la ban Wanrah ya kalat ka ban ka ba Biang tam ya kinong syong ka Jela Meghalaya kam tami ki basa shikinong kandong uba uloong ru badan kami ka jingkershan ba ka jingas no ktilang jong baro ban Wanrah ya ka jingpen kala ya katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary sya katanat ka bala ban penmi ya ki kam bala ban kan show hapo ka Jela.
When I've attended the Veterinary Service Association's General Body meeting, I've mentioned one word, that is about the positions. I just want to reiterate it again and also reminds all of you who have been here about the positions. I said the great man minds and talking about positions. Give me positions, I'll find out the way. Give me positions, I'll show you the way. So the positions God has given us, all of us, including me, to be a veterinary or animal husbandry and veterinary minister of Meghalaya. That God has given me these positions. When I went in a few days back, I just learned about the veterinary department. I thought the veterinary department is a small department. When I entered in, I've seen and also expansions my knowledge, saying many things that we can do in the veterinary departments. That has to be our goal, our aim and objectives. And also like want to request to our young doctors, our young vets, it should not be only the urban centric. You have to go and walk in the rural areas. Don't take it otherwise. You are learning, we are also learning. You have to learn more because God has given equal talents to everybody. Those who are literate, those who are illiterate. Who has they have got the knowledge. Maybe the literacy knowledge, education knowledge, but some people in the rural areas they have, that God has blessed them with the practical knowledge. That also is equally important to combine ourselves, how to make a sustainable and also the livelihood of the people in the rural areas. What the important is when I said about the positions, I remember I've been elected for the first time in 1998. I got my opportunity to work with late T.H. One day when he was a cabinet minister and minister of states way back in 1998, he came to my room and he said, Bahek, the chair you are sitting is not your positions, it's your functions. Remember this, wherever we are there, having our responsibility and positions, is not remain only in the positions, what is our functioning, is our functions. That's why I'm saying you, give me my positions, I'll find out the way. So it is a duty and responsibility of each one of you who are present here today to find out the way. What is the way to find out? The main is, we are going to be getting the services to the farmers, the individuals, and particularly the people in the rural areas. In the rural areas, the people Maybe they are also rearing the piggery, the poultry and many other things and do it. So therefore, there's other speakers spoken before me and said everything about the technical, how we go to, progress about the functioning of the departments. But my point is only thing, my target, our target. We cannot walk single hands. We need the collective efforts. We need everybody to put our minds together to ensure that whatever we are doing, it should be for the beneficial, for the people in the rural areas and also for the poor people who want to be. We want tomorrow that our economy will be made a strong economy, will be a game changer. We can turn around. The veterinary department I've seen have not even 2% today. I'm not even 2% because I just recently came in to this provisions, to this board. Only 2-3 days, maybe to last 1 month. I had to learn many things. How to turn around the veterinary department, how to turn around, how to bring the economy to the people of our states. We really will be a great changer. We will be a game changer for the state of Meghalaya. Let's hope together, we work together, and definitely we are going to bring a complete paradigm shift for the state of Meghalaya through the veterinary department. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Thank you.